Hey Glam Dolls, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all my model two-piece ponytail and bang, which looks like this right here. So if you're interested in seeing what it's about, I strongly suggest you all keep on watching. Okay, Glam Dolls, just like I said in the intro of this video, it's going to be about this model ponytail and bang, and it is two pieces. Okay, it's a ponytail with a separate bang, so you could wear it as a ponytail or you could wear it as a bang, which I'm going to show you throughout the video. But before I get too far into the video, if you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I'm known as for being the beauty who's on a budget that loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Like, trust me, you don't want to miss what I be sharing on this channel. You don't want to do that like today's video. So anyhow, as I was saying, model ponytail and bang, it is made of YAKY texture, and it's not new to the channel. This ponytail has been all over this channel. I already have a video about it. I'm just making an updated video for those who have asked, hey, what is that you're wearing? So I want to share it with you. And when you get it out of the packaging, this is going to be the bang portion. I keep telling you all, it is two separate pieces. This is going to be the bang, and I'm going to take it out of its net. Mind you, dolls, I've had this for at least, honestly speaking, about 4 years now. 4 years going strong. That is how well I managed to maintain and care for it, which I do have a video down in the description box below, how I care for my hair pieces. So this is the bang portion. As you can see on the back of the bang, it has this hair clips. Okay, it has 3 hair clips. Honestly speaking, I only use the top one right here. I do not use these 2 because it's not needed for me, but that's just a matter of my preference. So that is the bang portion. When it comes to the actual ponytail, get it out of its packaging, this is what it's looking like. Now what makes this such a cool piece is it has a drawstring. Yes, it has a drawstring, which makes it super easy to apply, and it has a comb in the top, all right, and a comb in the back. And then you have the drawstring where once you apply it, you're going to pull it tight, and then that's what's going to make your ponytail last. And like I said, it's made of YAKY texture, as you can see right here. YAKY texture. And honestly speaking, this looks so real. This looks so real. Oh my gosh, I always get compliments when I wear this. So this is what it's looking like, and the color I have is number 1 in jet black, and I'm going to apply it. So what I've already done is slick my natural hair up into a high ponytail, and I'm going to take this off. This is the scarf. Mind you, I hope you are saying that scarf look familiar. Why? Because I just showed it to you from a Dollar Tree haul that I did. Yes, I do Dollar Tree haul videos on this channel as well, and this scarf came from my local Dollar Tree. Okay, you can use it as a hair tie like what I did, or you can literally use it as, you know, a scarf. It's totally up to you. On this channel, I advocate that everything is a matter of preference. Okay, I'm not on here to make it seem like this is the only way you got to do something. No, I'm gonna show you a way in which you can do something. So back to the ponytail. We have her. This is what she is looking like. Super excited. My natural hair is up into a high ponytail. Let me move my chair down. Move my chair down. And now I'm going to apply her. I'm going to start by taking the comb that's in the top, right? And I'm going to put it at the base of my hair. So let me come in a little bit closer. Come here, and then we're going to go down, and I'm going to tuck it right at my base. See that? Right at the base of my hair. And the back of it, I'm gonna reach for the string. You see that? So here is where the magic happens. Watch this. So mind you, the comb is in the base, and now I'm going to gently, because you don't want to get the hair tangled up with the pull method. So we're going to pull, it's getting tight, bang, just like that. You see that? But wait, it don't stop there. So we're going to pull this, and now that I pulled it, I'm going to take this string, and to secure it, I'm going to wrap it around. And as I wrap it around, lift the hair up, because remember, glam dolls, we don't want this entwined with the hair. So we're going to lift that up. All right. And then we're going to take a bobby pin. Okay. I had to go get some bobby pins. Thought I had some over here. But anyhow, I'm going to take the bobby pin, connect it in with the string, make sure it's looped, and voila, there I have it. Now if you want, right, if I want, I can leave it like this, right? I can leave it like this, and what I would do is take, if I was to leave it like this, I would take a little bit of here and wrap her around as such, right? This is what we're going to do. This is what we're doing. This is how we roll, right? This is what I would do if I was going to wear it plain, right? Take the comb her out a little bit, and this would be my ponytail. What do you think? Period. This is how I wear my ponytail. So let me get my mirror real quick. So I got my little mirror right here. Let me just check her out, see how she's looking, and she looks great. Yeah, I could leave her like this, you know, I could leave her like this, right? Or like I said, because it's two pieces, keep in mind it's two pieces, I can go like this, which I've worn her by herself. And you ain't got to break your bank for this unit neither, because if you know me, you know glam, you already know. Those who know get it, those who get it got it. I don't break my bank for a fabulous look. So now I'm going to add the bang portion, and this is where we're going to really level her up, right? I'm gonna unsnap it. Remember, like I said, my preference, I only use the top. I do not use the two bottoms, okay? I'm gonna take it and go as close to the base as I can. This is much better. Okay, much better. Huh, much better. I don't mean to put the mirror in front of y'all like that. I just need to see what I'm doing. So I like my bangs to be a little bit down to my eyes, you know. But for the most part, this is what she's looking like. And then to really secure her, right, take two more bobby pins. You're going to need some bobby pins if you're going to be doing this. And I'm just going to secure her on the sides. Secure her in. And seriously speaking, voila, this is it. So the only thing left for me to do is to add my little finishing touches, you know, like my lipstick and stuff and my accessories, and then I will be good to go. I just wanted to quickly share this video with you all. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. We're not breaking our banks, glam dolls. That's not what we're doing. Too cute, right? Too cute. And even if you wanted to, not that you have to, you could even go like this, you know. You could bring her down like this, or you can leave her like that. You don't have to wear her as high as I did. If your preference is to have it as a low ponytail, you can do that too. But I decided to wear her super high. and this is the finished look. So on that note, dog, I don't want to be rambling. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. More information about this ponytail will be down in the description box below, so make sure you check that for its details, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. What? Ponytail for the win.